We'll be looking at various platforms used for web design and also web hosting. In this series, we'll be looking at both free and paid, and we'll see how they are applied. The first web creation tool is Wix.com. This allows you to build your website from scratch and host it. You'll be seeing these in the subsequent tutorial that will be covering Wix, mostly used for corporate websites, but also can be used for freelancing and other like e-commerce, which will be touching later. There is Blogger. Blogger is a free web design tool and also a hosting platform by Google. It's free. It has ready-made templates which you can use, or you can design outside various tools, then upload your template. I will be walking through how to customize the templates, create a blog, and create blog posts, and see where it's applicable. The next one, which is also free web design and web hosting, is WordPress.com, and it is different from WordPress. WordPress is a website building software that available in other web hosts, and also download and install on your computer, then design your website. We'll be seeing later. WordPress.com is an already integrated web building tool and also web host. It has both free plan and paid plan. You'll be seeing what it offers and what the limitations are. Now that we have covered the free web design, web development and web hosting platforms, now we'll see the web hosts. And the first one is free and also have a paid version. It's biz.nf. It allows you to have a free domain with it's more of a subdomain of c1.biz. If you need to have your professional domain, which is not a subdomain, you can buy from them or buy from another host, then link to your website. They have a free web design, web hosting platform with a few limitations. We'll be seeing what you can do with biz.nf. The other one is extendhosting.com. It allows you to create a free website. It also have a premium hosting, which is paid. We'll be walking through. So these are two tools, that is biz.nf and extendhosting.com. You can use it if you are making a prototype of the website, or you are making a website for your client before you hand over. The client can review, and when you agree, you can migrate now to a paid platform or wherever they are hosting. You can also host it for your free website and also mobile apps where you require maybe a web service to query your data. You can use these two. The next is paid platforms. One of them is hostika.com. This allows you to buy a domain, web hosting. There are various options. You can look for a domain, whether it's available. You can also do domain transfer. You can also check who is hosting a certain domain. Then they offer website hosting. It's from small to medium websites. Then if you have projects to try to host on the cloud, say like web-based platforms, you can host with them. He also offer specific web hosting, WordPress. That's the websites which are created using WordPress, which is most common. website builder and other additional services which you'll be seeing. It also gives you a custom email with a 30 GB storage. That's a Google Workspace email hosting, another email hosting. You'll be seeing this when we are doing web design using Hostinger. The other paid platform is GoDaddy. It allows you to host your website with any domain. You can go as low as $0.99 first year for a domain if you join. They offer domain names and also web hosting, also marketing tools. We'll be walking through these an exclusive video for GoDaddy. We also have Namecheap. Namecheap allows you to manage your domain. You can do a domain name search, transfer, among other services. So it allows you to host on a shared hosting. These are for hosting websites and other platform. You can also host WordPress websites. I've already pre-configured WordPress installer, which you can install and start developing a website, among other services, including migrating to them. They also have a specific, that is managed WordPress hosting, and you can also migrate your WordPress website. They also offer email hosting, apps, security. We'll be seeing all these when you're doing tutorial specific to Namecheap. The last option we have is Bluehost. Bluehost allows you to do WordPress hosting, that is design your website in WordPress. We also do hostings, we also do domains, among other stuff. We'll be seeing all these in our upcoming tutorial. Now that we know the platforms we can use to host our website, we can go through the process. We'll be walking through. We'll be coming up with website ideas. We list them down. Then we use design softwares to create a prototype of the website. This is the professional way of developing website. Personally, I use Adobe XD and or with Adobe Photoshop and also Adobe Illustrator. In terms of web development platforms, this is where you buy the hosting and also domain, develop a website using third-party software. You use mostly WordPress. I also use Joomla. I also use Dreamweaver, Notepad Plus. There are those I also developed using NetBeans. There are those which I code from scratch using Sublime Text Editor. And there are those which I use Visual Studio, and there are those which I use Eclipse, and many more web builders. So there are two ways of developing a website. Either you develop locally on your computer, then upload online, or you can develop directly from the web host through their online web builder. And there are those which have their own web builder. As we have seen, that is WordPress.com, Blogger.com, and also Wix.com. The rest you install any of the web building platforms, web building softwares I've gone through. Just to clarify, you don't need to buy domain and hosting from the same company. You can buy separate, or you can buy as a hosting package where you get discounts from the hosting package. You can check links in the description for web and domain hosts.